हेलो गाइस, अवनीत दिस साइड फ्रॉम साहिबा कार बाली नगर। आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए लेकर आया हूँ एक बजट फ्रेंडली एंड्रॉइड स्टीरियो along with 360 degree camera kit. This is the stereo that can be installed easily in any car. This stereo is available in two variants. First is the 2GB variant and second is the 4GB variant, जो कि हमारा RAM size होता है. In the 2GB variant size, we are provided with 32GB of storage, and in 4GB variant, we are provided with 64GB of storage. If we talk about the pricing of the stereo, the price of the 2GB variant along with 360 degree camera kit would cost you 16,500, and for the 4GB variant along with 360 degree camera kit the price of the stereo is 18,500. This is the 360 degree camera kit which can be installed along with the stereo. This stereo comes along with T5 processor in it, through which the touch response remains flawless. We are provided with a lot of features in the stereo, like first of all, we are provided with DSP settings, using which we can directly enhance our sound quality. There are a lot of modes which are available in the stereo, which can be used according to a requirement. After installing the 360 degree camera kit, we are provided with the multiple views, like we can have a satellite view of our car along with 3D view also. And individually we can also choose for a direction of view that we want on our screen. This is the 360 degree camera kit. The cameras that we are provided along with the stereo are in full HD quality, which are in night vision. After installing this 360 degree camera kit in a car, we are not required to install any DVR, since this stereo has DVR compatibility also in it. The only thing that we are required to do is to connect an external storage along with the stereo, after which all the four sides will be directly stored in that storage. After installing this 360 degree camera kit in a car, we are provided with total 4 cameras. Out of these 4 cameras, one camera is placed on the front side of the car, 2 on the side ORVMs and 1 on the rear side. All of these cameras works individually as well, through which we can have an individual view of these cameras. अगर आपको ये स्टीरियो अपने कार में इंस्टॉल करना है, आप मेरे को कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं. मेरा मोबाइल नंबर नीचे मेंशन्ड है.